set up all these different preview models.
All right, I'm live.
But
I'm
it's
streaming.
pretty heat. You're
I need to.
streaming
Yeah.
on like
On
what, I guess.
YouTube.
Oh, okay. Cool.
All right, let's see if it's working. I don't know if they need to check. And then maybe I'll chop it up, make a video or something.
Yeah. Oh, you do it too if you want to send me over the clips.
Send you what?
If you want to send over the video to me, I can do some stuff too. So would you wanna try to rig up?
One sec. All right, they can hear you. That's good. That's a good question. I guess we could do the hat again. We could do the hat again if I don't really have anything on hand.
Yeah. Um, do you want me to stream or do you want you to stream to me and I'll walk you through it?
You mean on Discord or on YouTube?
Well, like, do you want to make it or do you want me to make it and you watch me make it?
Maybe both, to be honest. Like, you do it on your screen and then I follow you.
Okay, yeah, that works. Do you have the model still?
Yeah, I should. One sec. Tinfoil hat. Yes, sir.
I misclicked.
Can't leak the DMs.
Yeah, don't do that.
The cracker
You'll see the gay
DMs.
porn.
Yeah. Let's see. So if anyone's watching the stream, he's gonna try to show me how to rig stuff for Enfusion engine. That's basically all we're doing.
Send you over this link.
I'll send you the model too. Oh yeah.
That has all my files that I saved.
But
Public, by the way, so anyone can grab from
this is
that.
gonna give me a virus.
Yeah. Just go to the character weight templates, and then the one that's just grab the default weight template or template, and then probably grab the head size 1, 2.
Right. Wait, I can't hear you no more.
I wasn't talking.
Oh, okay. For sure.
Yeah, I was just getting all my files. So
Gotcha. I got your stuff.
where did I? Okay. So go to the folder that says character weight templates,
Yep.
and then open the default character weights template. You'll
Gotcha.
need that for the rigging part, and then you can. Sorry, I'll get that open real quick. Then I would open another Blender window, and I'll set them side by side for me. And then in like I think it's scale. Do you see the one that says like scale templates?
Yep.
And then do you see one that says head size?
Yep.
Okay, that one's useful for helmets. So just open a new Blender window and just drag that in there because it's an FBX. I just import it. And then tell me when you got there.
Got it.
Okay. And then you'll have to click R and then Z, and then you'll have to rotate it 180 degrees because it faces the Y positive direction. When you bring it in, it needs to be facing Y negative. So just click on the head, click R, and then Z to rotate on the Z axis, and then 180 for 180 degrees. And then that should
You said it has to
rotate.
be Y negative.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So it's the little if you hover over the little axes thing in the upper right, you can see
Yep.
the negatives are like the darker ones.
Yep.
And then you can drag in your app model, which I think for this one will be the GLTF one. All right. Give me 1 second. I have an alarm going off in the background and
Gotcha.
it's really annoying.
This isn't gonna be like a Blender tutorial. But yeah, this isn't gonna be like a Blender tutorial. It's just gonna be like how to rig for
Sorry
Reforger.
about that.
Yeah,
I'm
you're all
back.
good. Bet.
All right. And then you'll just have to scale it down to fit the head of the model there. So you can click S to scale, and then you can drag in and out. And just kind of get it to like a rough estimate of it, like just what you think is like a pretty decent size. Just let me know when you do each step.
Bet. Oh, here. I can share my screen for you.
I would import it into the other one.
Oh,
Yeah, because the other one is a blend of every single head model in the game, like combined, so that you can get like an average
yeah.
reference. Because some head models are bigger than others.
Yep. We all know which. Never mind. Yo.
It doesn't need to be perfect right now. It just kind of needs to be
Yeah.
somewhat right.
Close. Looks like a fucking World War II hat.
It looks like the German pickle hat.
Yeah.
Um, and then go to your resource browser or the hierarchy on the right where it says cube. Just rename it to like for us it'll just be tinfoil underscore LOD0. Just to let the engine know what level of detail it is. And then 0 is like the highest level of detail, and then
Yeah.
1 would be it would just keep counting up, you know.
Just wanted like 20% less detail, and then yeah. Ish.
And then I'm gonna kind of rotate mine back a little bit. But I usually like to go into the sculpt editor, and I just kind of like to. That's how I like to form stuff for like shirts and all that. Is I just go into sculpt mode, and then the smooth tool's really good for the armpit area to prevent stretching, and then you'll want to add some like loop cuts and stuff. But so smooth tool's good. The grab tool's good. The elastic deform is one of my personal favorites. It's like a yellow one. It's the second yellow one, I think. Yeah, that one. That one's really good because it not only like moves it, but it also kind of moves some stuff around it. So it keeps everything looking kind of. It allows you to like change the size of stuff without like completely ruining the way it originally looked. And then the move tool, the one at the very top, is just pretty good for just like simply moving small things into place.
Which one's the move tool?
One at the very top. The
It
move tool
says
doesn't. Oh,
draw.
draw. Sorry. Yeah.
Gotcha. Fuck.
This one's kind of a difficult one to get right.
Have you messed with the shrink wrap modifier?
That's what I just tried to do. It did not work.
Gotcha. Yeah. I was
It pulled, yeah, it pulled the like top in.
the
Which I think
head's
what
pretty high poly.
what you could do is um I don't remember the keybind to split a model into two,
Which means split it into two.
like split it into two separate models.
Shift D to duplicate and Alt P to separate selection.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I messed up our model. I didn't know it did that. The model has like a split in it for this one.
What you mean? Oh yeah. That's just in the texture, isn't it?
Mm, might be able to fix it. Oh.
Why can't I loop select this? What the hell?
It's like horrible to try to sculpt.
For real.
Oh yeah, absolutely beautiful over here. Looks pretty ass. But it's tinfoil, so it doesn't need to look good. That's the good part.
True. Very true. It's supposed to look kind of fucked up.
Because I'm gonna like make it kind of curve in weird ways along it. They're like with blob do.
What was that?
I'm trying to make the like little spike on top look a little less
Oh yeah.
smooth, make it look all jacked up. That didn't work though.
All right, this looks good enough for me for now.
All right. Oh, let me just pull that out. Yeah, mine's fine for now too, because to be honest, I'm just gonna delete this project after I'm done with
Yeah,
it.
just
All
for
right,
the
so just click Control C on that, and then go back to your other Blender window and do a little Control V. It should show up on your guy.
yo. What?
Yup, I know. It's wizardry.
He's the best.
So, so now you can click on that model. Sorry, I'm trying to think of the word. So on the right, you can go out of edit mode. You don't need to be in edit mode.
Do what?
You don't need to be in edit mode. You can be in object mode. But on the right, like in the hierarchy area, you should see the cube. I don't know why it changed the name, but
The hell did I just do?
you just made a keyframe. Clicked I. And then go over to your modifiers for that object. Give it the armature modifier so that it links up with the player skeleton for your character. And then yeah, you can in the object that works too. Yeah. And then go down to your vertices or vertex grouping, which is like that little green looking thing. Yeah, add one, call it head. And this is for helmets. For shirts and stuff, it's a little bit different because you would want more vertex groups and you'd want to use automatic. Or you'd want to transfer weights. But for this one, we want the head to have like 100% of the weight, so it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
So now you can go to edit mode. Just click tab. Yeah, and then you can click assign to assign it 100% of the weight. And then now if you go to weight paint mode, it should be completely red, but it didn't. So on the left, you should see like a little one that has like a line on the far left. This is my other way of doing it. That one, gradient.
Which one? Sorry, this one?
That one right there. Yeah. Set it to radial at the top. Radial is the one to the left of it. You can set that to constant because that's what it's going to have you do next, to set the fall off to constant. Grab the middle of the model and just drag out. Yeah, there you go. That's the other way of doing it because for some reason that edit thing hasn't been working for me lately. But now, like, that entire helmet is assigned to your head bone, so wherever your head goes, that hat will go with it, kind of thing. So
Gotcha.
that's it. That's how you rig a helmet. It's super simple.
I
If you
think
have like a
last
chin
time what we
strap,
did is we like copied the armature, or we copied the vertex groups over from the
that's what.
armature.
Yeah, you can do that. What it can cause though, if you like, for helmets, you kind of just want to assign it to the head and the jaw. If you have a chin strap, because the new update added where your mouth moves when you talk, so you'd want to assign
Oh,
like a chin strap to your jaw so that it moves with your jaw.
yeah.
But for like this, we just want it to be the head because if you don't, then it can like it
Get
can
on the
cause
shoulders or
the
something.
yeah, like it can
Yeah.
grab it in weird ways. Sometimes it can even like grab the jaw so that your hat will move when your jaw moves, even though it shouldn't.
Yeah.
So, with the
Raj.
hat, just assign it to head. But if you wanted like if you had like a chin strap or something, you could go up to weights at the top. Um, yeah, and then transfer weights, and then there should at the bottom you should see transfer mesh data. Don't click this, I guess, because then it will reset what we did. But where it says source
Yeah.
layer selection, you'd want to set that to by name. So then it would grab, yeah. If you just click by name, that's how you would transfer weights.
Raj.
But for now, we're done. So, um, we'll
Question:
add the 10,
if I
huh?
add more geometry to this, will I have to repaint it? Like if I
I
take
think
these,
so.
go into face mode, extrude along normals, make it a little thick,
You can
and then
probably
I
make it a
go
little
into
more
weight
thick.
paint. Nope, it's good.
If you change it, like if you do the transfer by name, I think, and let's say you like pulled, like let's say you had a glove on your hand before and then you moved it off your hand, I think it would not move the weights for you. I think you'd have to redo
Gotcha.
it to like reassign
For
it.
sure.
So like for big movements, you'd want to transfer the weights again. Okay, but add that model to the LOD0 collection on the right.
Wait,
Like
add the
drag it
model
up one, like drag to that one.
like
Yeah.
that.
And then hide your body model and then unhide your armature. So where it says skeletons, there you go. And then go file at the top because now we can export this as an FBX. Export and then FBX. And then there's some settings in here that we need to set. So, uh, oh, perfect. I usually turn off the selected objects and just do visible. And
I think I have
then,
a
yeah,
preset
make
for
sure,
that too. Yeah,
dude, I didn't even know you could set presets.
I learned it
So,
from Swamp
and
Fox. I forgot how to do it. I think you just press plus.
then just make one down.
After
Okay.
no, after you set it up, then you press plus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That would have been nice to know. And then in the armature
Yeah.
setting, make sure leaf buttons are off. One
Yep.
armature tab. Awesome. Perfect. So you could just export that as like just tin hat or something. I would rename it so it's a little bit easier.
Yep.
You can actually just like delete the whole thing and it will still put the FBX at the end. That's what I've learned. Make it a little bit quicker.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, now we can go back to Enfusion. So, what
Let
you
me
want to
start a
do,
new project. Just
yeah, start fresh.
yeah. Because we've already done this. I just want to get it on video.
The
Don't pay
Alex Jones one.
attention to
Last time we did it, it was like quite a bit ago, a few months, so he doesn't remember.
Hell yeah. Barely. I mean, I kind of remember, but it's nice to get it on video at least.
Helmets are pretty simple. The only
Yeah.
like I would say hard thing about helmets is if you want to add like colliders so that you do bolt detection for like armor, so you could make like set like a certain amount of protection that a helmet has.
Yeah.
That's
Like
kind
the
of the hard thing to set
thickness.
up. Yeah, using colliders. But
Hmm.
create a new folder, call it assets. And then within that, create another folder called headgear. These folders don't like have to be called this. It's just a way of setting it up. And then I think that's the order in which it goes. Or it goes characters, then headgear. And then within there, yeah. And then you just call it hat underscore tinfoil. And just add your FBX into there. Not in the data folder, the one above it, yeah. That's a blend file, twin. Oh wait, no, it's not. You just have
I was
your
about to say, I would
FBX.
not.
You just have your FBX is set to show
Oh
the blender
yeah,
logo.
I do. I have it set to open by default.
I haven't done that yet. I've just been doing it
It
the
does.
hard way, you know.
It doesn't really work anyway. So honestly, it's not worth it.
And
Uh,
then you got to open that mesh because you got to set your import settings. So just turn on export skinning, export morphs, and export scene hierarchy. Kind of like what you turn on for all models that you import into Enfusion, to be
yeah.
honest. And then just re-import at the top.
Yep. I probably should have assigned a material, but it'll be alright.
The materials and data, and then you can drag your textures in. Oh, they
Oh
set up.
wait, is it a diffuse mat?
Just bring in the normal and
Oh yeah.
diffuse. That'll be fine. I'll have to show you how to set up after this. I'll have to show you how to set up Enfusion export profiles in Substance Painter. So you know
I
how
have
Substance
one.
Painter usually like when you export it'll give you like a bajillion different files.
Yeah.
Yeah, this like I have a profile that only exports the like base color with roughness, and then the other one does everything else within it. So it's just two files. You might have the same one as me.
I'm not sure. I can't
I got it
remember
from like
where.
I think I got it from like a YouTube video or something. I think the channel name was like Nexus Media.
Oh, gotcha.
I have it in that GitHub page.
Oh,
I
nice.
have that Substance Painter export profile. But I had to use it to get transparency working.
I have these,
Yeah,
but
I just have one called Enfusion, and it just has everything I needed to have.
gotcha. I think I got these from Swamp Fox, but I really don't remember.
And then yeah, just give that some materials, textures. It already have a material.
Yeah, this already has the head clipping and
That's fair. Make sure to set it to sRGB for the diffuse map. I hate how. I mean, I wish Infusion could like detect something when it says like base color or something and not, and just
yeah,
automatically put it to sRGB because you don't really want that stuff being in any other color space.
for real.
So that's your model set. You should be able to go back to your model and see it all textured and fancy now. Oh, you got to drag in your material.
Hmm. Thought I can just drag.
It didn't assign it for some
Yeah,
reason.
there
There
we
you go.
go.
Weird.
Cool. It's got what's it called? Conceit null. What is it called? I can't remember. Calling. Yes, yes, sir. Looks like it's got it. Maybe the hat has it.
If you just type choline at the top, it'll.
Yeah. This
That's
is what it's
weird.
supposed to be,
So
right?
on your stream, I can't see it culling. It's only you.
It's only what?
Just set it to none. Set the cold to none. Like I can't on like what you saw, was it culling? I just see it as normal for some reason. Like my
Oh,
your stream is different.
oh no, I don't see it culling. I was saying it's weird that it's not culling. Like last time
Oh, okay.
we had to like figure it out. Does this have thickness? A little bit. Good.
And then you should just be able to like I usually just like would duplicate like a civilian hat, maybe, and
Yeah.
then assign your stuff to it. The one that says item outfit faction component, make sure to disable that one. It's not in there as a component. It says item outfit faction. Yeah, just turn that one off because it makes it so that even if you were to like assign this to the Russian faction,
Yep.
they still couldn't take it. And
Yep.
I don't know, that one just annoys me, so I always turn it off.
That's fair. Good good
All it does
shout.
is add a flag to it when you hover over it, so it's nothing crazy. They're turning the freaking rocks gay.
Yeah. Restore the frogs. All right, so item model.
That's like the ground model. So
Yeah.
you would have to uh you would have to create a new Blender file. This one wouldn't be rigged, but it would just have to be like on the ground of like if that one's fine, like you don't have to close that one. You just have to take your arrows, like just drag it down pretty much. You delete that. And then
I got a trick.
click W
Alt
or
G.
something. Oh, nice.
Snap it to the world origin. And this is all
I
I
didn't know
need,
that.
right?
Yeah, and then you can just export that.
Oh fuck.
Dude, my freaking files are so confusing right now after all the like the
Yeah,
models that I've been like working on lately for like a British World War II
I feel
set
you. I
has
try
so
to
many
stay
folders
organized.
everywhere.
It's tough, man.
Dude, that's what GitHub's for.
Yeah.
I've just
I'm
been
just
like
gonna close
literally every
this.
project that I've been making, I've been just using GitHub now because it's such a nice way to stay organized and be able to go back when I mess stuff up.
It's so nice.
And it's free cloud storage, so why not?
So does that mean that the Boonie hat has two models?
Um,
Like it's gotta have two Zobs right then. Like
mm, no, because if you add a collider to the like the first one that we made, if you add a collider for item view, it'll have like it'll have gravity collision, so it'll show up on the floor still.
Sure.
We just had to add that collider and we didn't because it's a whole different process. But you could do that. You have to add. I think it's item. I don't remember what the ground one is. Or maybe it's that one. Maybe it's the one that says underscore
Yeah,
item.
there's two of them. This one's like the one,
Oh
the
yeah, that
Lauren,
one has
and
bones.
this, yeah.
And then click the other one.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
true. And this one has a collider. Fire view,
Yeah,
item
fire
fire
geometry.
view.
Yeah, it just makes it so that I think if you shoot it on the ground, it will, you know, give like a some kind of particle effect.
Kind of.
Make it like metal 10 millimeters. So it's just a huge spark when someone
For
hits
real.
it. I use the isosphere usually when I set it up.
Wouldn't shit.
Just remember that one's still rigged, so you have to remove the armature modifier
Oh
before
shit.
exporting it. You just remove the armature modifier, that's it. Yeah, simple as that. And then you can delete everything else if you want, or ignore them.
Why can't I set up the
Do you not have
colliders?
you might not have the net forwarding whatever on right now for Enfusion?
I think I know why. I gotta go. No. Oh yeah. It's because I saved it here. No, not here.
I created a Glock animation yesterday. Speaking
Nice.
of Glocks, I took the Armor Forger rig and just was messing around with animation, trying to make a cool reload.
Hell yeah. I I gotta look into animations. It's so hard to learn like everything.
Animation's super easy in Blender.
What?
Like animation is insanely easy. Like it's
Oh,
actually
really?
like I watched a freaking 10-minute tutorial and was able to do it.
Really?
But getting it into Enfusion is the shitty part because just Enfusion's animation editor is so ass. Like it's like that's the complicated part. But actually
Hell
like
yeah.
animating stuff in Blender is like super simple if you know how to use the tools and stuff. And you use if you go to the animation section, like animation thing at the top and you just use your anim graph and all that, like it's super simple.
Wait a minute.
But
Where's my
the
fucking hat?
Enfusion uses like animation export profiles, so there's just like a very specific process that if you like give something the wrong profile, it'll break, and it's just you kind of just gotta triple check everything because if you mess something up, then you have to spend another 30 minutes trying to figure out why it's not working. What are you trying to do?
It was parented to the skeleton. I just trying to figure out
Oh.
how to undo it. All right. Now add
If
the
you go to the
collider.
if you go to the little orange
What the hell?
box
Orange
on
box.
the right, it's above the modifiers. There should be a relations tab. I think you can see the parents in there. Yeah,
Oh, I cleared it.
that's where you
Yeah.
could like unparent something. But that's where you
Gotcha.
could parent or unparent something if you didn't
For
know the
sure.
keybind.
Yep.
Go to Enfusion because I think the latest update might have turned off the. If you go to your preferences, or options. And then I have no clue which section it's in. That was enabled. I'm not totally sure why it's not showing up. Oh, I know. I know why.
What's up?
So you go back to Blender. Go add at the top because you're gonna add an object, and then mesh, and then do an isosphere. It's in mesh. What? How do you do
Yeah.
that?
I'm just gonna add a box because
Try
it's
it's the
less.
triangle mesh. Just do the triangle mesh. It'll look better. The box and the triangle mesh are like they both do like the same amount of optimization there. Now the collider setup shows up. You just had to have an object. Also, how did you get that? Is that just like part of?
Yeah,
It
it's just
is.
EBT and object
What?
mode.
Bro, dude. Every single time I go to make a collider, I always forget the prefix, so I go look it up.
Really? Oh, you mean like the
I didn't
UCX
know this
and
was
all
possible,
that?
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I guess. Yeah, that does.
that's just so much easier.
Yeah,
Oh,
for
and it
real.
automatically puts it in the collider section too.
Yep,
Yo,
that's the real cool thing about it. When you're making a bunch of colliders, it's real nice for that.
there's so many things that I just like. I wish I knew that. It would have made my life so much faster and easier.
For real, that's the cool thing about like working together. It's like we all learn.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. Collider setup, game material.
I learned a bunch of this from God's Silent Craze. He's making a bunch of World War II stuff right now, but he's
Hell
the one
yeah!
who kind of showed me all the like tips.
Shout out to that guy, God's silent grace.
Yeah, check out Operation Overlord. Cool.
Hell yeah.
You got to set it to
Uh,
metal 7 millimeter.
7 millimeters crazy. You won't be able to pen it. I think it makes the same noise no matter the millimeter.
Dude, I wish you could have the metal pipe sound. Like, just hit it. Dong.
I'm
There's metal 10 millimeter too,
gonna just do
or
one.
manganese steel.
And it was item
Item
fire
fire.
view, right?
Yeah, it's on the second row.
Second row. You mean-
Yeah, that one. You can also click I on your keyboard and it will grab it.
Oh yeah. I always forget about that. The underscore. I've been using that with deleting stuff. Like you can like choose what you delete, like edges, faces, or vertexes.
Mm.
All right, so got this, got that. So now I can just export this, right?
Yeah. Do you have to parent colliders? I can't remember. I don't think so.
No.
No, you don't. You don't. I haven't
Uh,
set up a collider in a bit, actually.
Me neither. One thing I should probably do is apply transforms.
Oh, yeah. Do that to the collider as well. It's Shift A, I think, or Control A.
Yeah, Control A. Yep.
What this does is it sets like the location and scale
Yeah.
and everything to just ones and zeros, which when you add a model as a binary into Enfusion, it just likes ones and zeros way more than 2 point whatever, whatever.
Yep.
It can fix issues that occur. Sometimes it doesn't matter, sometimes it does matter. It's just kind of, something Enfusion likes.
Yep. All right, we got the ground model. Let's see. Where? Oh, assets.
I usually create a new folder in there just called preview. That's what I usually do. Come on, man. Turn off your caps lock.
For real.
You got to start just clicking delete on your keyboard. It's so much faster. And
Yeah,
then you click
true. You know what's funny is I'm on people's ass about using shortcuts. It's hilarious. If one of the guys
I
that
gotta,
teaches watching this, he's gonna be laughing at that.
I gotta show you something after we stop streaming. I got a cool tool,
But
indexing and stuff.
bet.
It's super cool.
All right, we got this, and then
It's in the
load
base.
up ground zop. Boom. That's how you fucking rig a helmet, boys. All right, let's see. So
Hopefully it worked.
we got our
Messing up
worn
yet?
model. We got our ground model. We got our textures, everything. And then we changed the name. Tinfoil hat, Alex Jones, item display name. Should
Go to the
be good.
preview, item preview attributes. In there.
Is that here?
Yeah.
This one?
Click that one. Yeah. And then you see the one that's your ground item. So where it says like,
I
or
don't
I guess
see it.
preview one model might work too. Usually you need to set the item render rotation in there. Cause yeah, that one. Set the Y to 180 degrees. Because for Blender, it wants to use Y negative. The software that Bohemia uses, I forgot what it's called. I think it's like a fusion software made by Autodesk. But it uses the Y positive instead of Y negative, so it'll cause everything to be like if you were to like rig a shirt, you'd be looking at the back of the shirt, like when you open it in Arsenal instead of the front if you don't rotate it 180
Oh,
degrees.
gotcha. All right, let's
Yeah.
see.
So usually I just create a separate like model sometimes that's facing the Y positive if I can't get the preview to look right.
That's a pro tip and a half. Oh fuck! What am I doing?
Just look up inventory item in the search bar, it'll show up. Inventory items, and you call it Entity Catalog US.
Yes, sir. What the hell? Oh,
Private. Nice. And then I would just load into like MP test or something to see if it works. I don't think there's spaces. use ammunition depots instead of arsenals? Well, that's a little
I'm just
freaky,
used to
man.
it, bro. I'm just
It's a
used
little
to it.
weird.
I'm a conflict guy.
It's
Tinfoil
okay.
hat, boy. Let's go. That's how you rig and reforge your boys. Document it. Clock it. Why my stream freezing now?
Not a good time. The
For
stream is
well,
too hyped, guys.
we did it. We made a
Dude,
hat.
we did. We made a hat. Look at that. Shoot at it. See if it's. I wonder if it. No.
Oh, it
It
has
does have
a
sliders. You see the bullet.
yeah. It's sparking too. You see that?
You can't really see
Little
the
bit.
stream. It's too
Oh yeah,
compressed.
maybe. Well,
Man, I'm
GG.
gonna have to go add colliders to all my freaking white suit models. I was trying to make them like vanilla quality. We're close.
Hell yeah.
Close.
Well, that's awesome. I mean, how quick was that? I mean, that was like what, 30 minutes max? An
Yeah,
hour?
you could do that, and like if you just memorize that process, you could do it in 5 minutes, 10
Yeah,
minutes.
that's true. We were
The hardest
messing
part
around
is the
sculpting.
texture. If you
Yeah.
like, because for some things, I'll have to import them into Substance Painter, and then I'll have to export it using the Enfusion profile because sometimes textures just don't look right if you just use like, you know,
Yeah.
whatever it comes with. Had that
Do
issue
you
with a bunch of like
know?
Unreal stuff I tried to port.
Hell yeah. Do you know how to do a weapon?
What do you mean?
Like, get something in someone's hands?
Yeah, it's so you don't actually rig it, it's snap points. So, you know what a snap point is?
Kinda, yeah. Like a socket.
So, yeah, so it's kind of like, let's say if you added like supplies to a vehicle, the vehicle would fill up with supplies, like those would be snap points. Or let's say you grab a grenade out of an arsenal and it shows up on your vest, that would be like a snap point. So it's kind of like
Yeah.
that. So you have your left and right hand snap points. And then your hands will just snap with those because you can't like rig it to your hands because you have to animate it. So you have to set up snap points instead. So a little bit different. I don't think the only thing like only rigging that you have to do for weapons is when you set up like the slide, the bolt, stuff like that. I think there's a few other things because you have to like attach them to bones to be able to animate them. But clothing's really the only thing that needs to be rigged like this. Yeah, weapons are pretty simple. There's a lot of settings that you can change to kind of tune it exactly how you want it, but like weapons are pretty simple other than animations. Like the animations, that's where it gets really difficult. But actually like getting a weapon in the game and making it shoot is super easy, but then actually like animating it and making like the bolt move and stuff is the hard
Yeah.
part.
I kind of just want to like get this on someone's hand or maybe like a glove, like have it like how a glove would be where it like stays on his hand,
You
but it
can,
doesn't.
you got to just line it up with the character model. You can use yeah, you just have to line it up.
See, crackers, cracked blender files.
Oh yeah. You could grab the T pose one if you want for that. Might be easier. This one has like a weird thing with it, so if you're gonna use this one, make sure to read the README on the GitHub page because this one you can't
Read.
add the armature modifier till the very end, like until you're ready to export. Because if you scroll down,
Nice.
so don't add the armature modifier until like the very end. You can weight paint and all that, but don't add the armature modifier till you like right before you're about to click export. Doesn't hurt anything. It just causes the arms to fling up. And if you do it on accident, just click Control V. Just go back.
So how?
Doesn't hurt anything.
Let me see. Yeah. Not sure if I have this shield exported yet. I think I do.
So select all of those and then just click Control J. Yeah. That groups models into one model, by the way. That's what Control J does for join.
Yeah.
Do you want it to like move with the hands or just float in front of the body?
Yeah, move with the hand.
So yeah, you'd have to line it up with the hands. So you'd have to
Yeah. I was just trying
probably
to get the
face the shape
scale.
now. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. I see. It's like okay, that makes
Yep.
sense. Go rotate on the y-axis by 90 degrees. No, x-axis. My bad. Yeah.
I hardly ever get the axis right. Like I always
I don't know why. Y isn't up in Blender.
it's so annoying, bro. Like it I don't
The
care
hand
which
is.
one's which, but I just wish it was the same between Blender and Infusion. I get they use Maya and shit, but
Dude, it's so buns when you have to go between Blender, Substance Painter, and Infusion, and they all use
yeah,
different keybinds and they all
literally
use different axes.
for real. Fuck, I'm hitting every wrong keybind.
You got this, man. I believe in you.
Thank you. That's not gonna work.
The T-pose might have not been the best for this, actually. Uh, Why is my FOV set like that? So freaky, bro. What the heck? I messed up my Blender FOV.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I was watching some tutorial and a guy told me to change it and I regretted it so quick. All right, this might be good enough. All right, that's as good as it's gonna fucking get. Boom. Perfect. It ain't getting no better than that. Maybe a little bit better. Perfect. You still there, Cracker?
Mm-hmm.
Raj.
Trying to set up
All right.
something to show you.
Got it.
You think it's cool.
You think I should maybe use the glove, or should I have this as like a weapon?
Sorry.
You think I should maybe set it up as like a glove or as a weapon?
Um, you you would have to set up as a glove.
Yeah. So what should I do now? Create like a vertex group for it? Or
Hmm?
should I create a vertex group for it or should I like transfer it?
Um, I wouldn't transfer it for this one because you just kind of want it to be connected to one bone. You can unhide the skeleton and see what the bone names are, but it would probably be just like right hand, I think. Oh, that's a whole lot of words.
For real.
There should just be one called right hand. I would just create a new vertex group called right hand and just assign it to 100% weight. Yeah, right hand. You can see it at the top. Right there.
So I go here, create the vertex group, and then I go to weight paint and I go to gradient, radial, constant, right, drag right. for 100% weight,
Mm-hmm.
and then I export it.
You gotta hide the body if you're gonna do visible objects. You gotta add the armature modifier as well.
Oh yeah.
The body can still be hidden if you're gonna do that. You'll see what I mean, by the way, when the arms go up. Actually, unhide the body so you can see what happens. This is just like an issue with the T-pose rig that I made. It doesn't like
1 sec, my
hurt anything.
cat's
Like it doesn't change anything in game or anything. It's just something in Blender.
cat wants in. All right. Add modifier armature. Connect it to the armature. Uh, that's what you mean. All right. So now I export it, or is it fucked up?
Hmm?
Is it fucked up, or can I export it like this?
You can export it like that. It's just like I said, the T-pose one will move your stuff around, but like it doesn't break anything at all. It just moves it, but
Gotcha.
it'll work exactly the same once you export it. It just doesn't. Looks like it broke it, but it didn't.
Cool. All right.
And then make
Let's.
sure to use the right export profile.
All right. Rigging example 2. So in case the first one wasn't enough, shield, let's see. So for this, I'm gonna copy some gloves. What am I doing? Sick. Yo, Cracker, you know you can I'll show you in a sec. You can switch multiple textures to RGB at the same time.
That's RGB.
Yeah. If you click on this button over here, click edit also selected files, and then
What?
you can select
That would have been nice to know too.
yeah.
See, I know how to
It,
do stuff. I just don't know how to do it efficiently.
yeah. I only know that because the camo thing that I made, I had to do a bunch of them. Let's go. All right, the
Yo,
moment of truth.
look at this.
Yo, nice. Beautiful.
Just setting up a bunch of keyframes. You just set each individual like.
I've messed with keyframes in like DaVinci.
I mean, to be honest, I could literally just go. Wait, that. Come over here. That. Come over here. Do that. Play the
Yeah.
animation. What?
Whoa, that was pretty sweet. That was because of the origin points.
Whoa.
That's
Pretty
pretty
sick.
cool. Hell yeah. That's
Could
gaming.
you imagine that being a reload in Arma, bro? You just like your gun just like separates into its like molecular
Yeah.
compounds. It just starts
For,
like in front
yeah.
of you. Maybe I need to do
Tactically
that. Maybe
break it
that's my
down.
calling.
For real. Gun jam, you gotta break it
Just make
down.
some cool ass reloads. And that's the thing with Infusion. You're like limited with like your frames. It's like you only have like 5 frames to be able to do this. It's like what?
Oh, really?
Yeah, like certain export profiles have certain limitations. I don't know if it's for like performance reasons or what it's for, but it makes
Yeah.
animation like really weird and that's what I meant, like getting everything correct. You gotta like look at the animation spreadsheet to make sure you do everything correct constantly.
Oh, I should have gave this a collider.
Oh wow, man. Forgetting the collider. Did you when you imported it, did you make sure to turn on export skinning and all that?
I forgot that. To be honest,
Yeah,
good call.
you would have clicked play and been like, why is it not working? It's up more. Yeah. Nappy. Oh, okay.
All right, I haven't set up a worn model or the preview thing, but let's just see if it works for now.
Basic doesn't have Game Master.
Oh, shit. All right, if I spawn an arsenal, Cracker's gonna roast me. Or an ammunition.
There you go. Now he spawned the right thing.
I'm sorry. Shield. Uh. Well, boys. Cracker, I need help.
It just means you didn't rig it correctly.
Yeah,
You still have the blender open.
yeah,
You want to know why? Did you export it just like that?
yeah.
Yeah, you got to unhide the skeleton.
Oh,
There you go. Now export it. Now it'll work. Dude, I've done that so many times where I forgot to unhide the armatures that it's just like that's the first thing I check now. Yeah, I've
hell
done
yeah.
that so much.
So now I can just press re-import, right?
Yeah, it'll automatically re-import. At least it should. Literally, like every single one of my projects that I create, I always just like create a subscene of MP test and just keep it in my
Yeah,
mod because I just like messing around with stuff.
that's fair.
You gotta take the gun out of your hand or else it'll tweak. Where did you, when you exported it from Blender, where did you put it?
Uh, IDZ mod making files and backup / Blender.
I was like gonna say, I don't think that would explain it.
Okay. So if I drag this into here, re-import done. Okay.
Why
Then
does
I
this? Why does this server even have the freaking unit recruitment channel? I always get a
I
ping.
don't.
Bro.
I did same with all the pings for the modders Discord, unless it's like they ping me. I don't
Did you
think
do it
it's.
right this time?
I don't think so because I did import it from the right place.
Go to details. Just go to details. You can see if the bones are connected. If you click bones, and then one bone is connected. See, it's in the right spot now. Wow.
How do you
If you
know
scroll down,
which? Oh, because of here.
if you scroll down though, there should be a bone icon on the one that's used. Just keep scrolling. See that? Ooh, we went past it. Right there. A little bone.
Oh,
That's how you know it's working.
okay. We did it, boys. We got a shield in our
One
Warforger.
RPG.
Let's fucking go.
It's actually kind of hype. It looks pretty sick.
My hand's gone. What? My hands are
Oh yeah,
invisible.
in the prefab, in the base cloth loadout component, there's one that lets you override hidden or override. It's like hide mesh something. There, you must have hid the hand mesh, or whatever. Scroll down. Yeah, right there. No, override mesh is to hide. That's the one. Like a drop down. You just got to click the delete key on both of those,
All right. I don't think I
or
can
not.
because
We'll just not let you. Oh, there you go. I hate how it does that sometimes where you try to
yeah,
duplicate something. It's like, even though it's a brand new
I know.
prefab, we're
It's
still not going to
fucking
let you change it.
stupid. So that's the most annoying thing about modding in Infusion. It's like, no, you gotta inherit it, and then you inherit it, and it's like, no, we still don't like it. Fuck you. All right, so now theoretically,
You should just be making all your prefabs from scratch, you know?
yeah,
Like a real modder would.
a real modder.
A real modder.
Fuck a real modder. Anyone calling themselves a real modder? No. We're all learning.
You never stop learning, man.
Nah. My hands are visible. Cool.
Go into
Nice.
Armacam. I want to get a screenshot.
Armacam, yeah. I could probably do some cool with bone action animations. That doesn't look too bad how he's grabbing it. I'm not gonna lie.
You get one from like showing more shield, you know? Yeah, right there. Perfect. Which channel do you want me to post that in? Here, you post it actually. I'll send it to you.
Bet. Let's fucking go, boys. Post it in modders chat. Actually, I'm gonna post it in general chat. Because I'm a general ass motherfucker.
Oh, you know what? We need to add a collider so it stops bullets.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I
That
do
would be
gotta do
good.
that. We'll do that. Post this. All right. Collider. Collider. Do I want to add the collider before the armature modifier?
Mm, I don't. I gotta look it up now because I don't remember. Colliders. Wait. Uh,
Is there a way to copy rotation?
so, um, you have to rig that as well, by the way.
What do you mean?
Like
Oh,
your
the
collider
collider?
has to be rigged as well to the same bone and stuff.
Gotcha.
So when people make like chest rigs and all that, you know, where like there's like body armor, you have to connect all of it to one bone. So you'd like connect it to like your chest bone or something because it can't like bend, you know. So you have to
Yeah.
connect all of it to one bone. You can't do like the transfer weights for colliders.
So how do I do that? Add a vertex group?
Yeah, you just have a vertex group called, I think, was it right hand? Is that what it
Yeah.
was? Yeah. It's in the green one with like the
Oh
triangle.
yeah. Can I just is there a way to just add this one? Or like
like copy one. Maybe you could try Control C, Control V.
If I click this,
Oh, I know what to do.
Control
Wait,
L.
wait, wait, no. Click the shield. Yeah, and then after that, like hold Control and then click your glider. Yeah, and then go to weight paint mode. And then weights. Transfer weights by name. There you go.
Nice.
Or active layer, I guess, works the same. Because, nice. My buddy told you to
Oh,
make a sword next.
I have a spear made already. How come this one's not? The shield isn't red now.
What do you mean?
Is it still weight painted, or is it just because I'm not in it?
You got to go out of weight paint mode, click on the shield, then go back into weight paint mode.
Raj, cool, nice. Okay, so now I can export it.
Yeah. My friend said that you better upload this mod.
Should I?
he's like, you add a sword and shield, or the spear and shield. He's like, you better upload it. I want to use it on conflict.
I don't want to like spend a bunch of time making it nice though, you know.
Well, he said, I told him, I was like, it's gonna be really jank. He was like,
Yeah,
how do you hold it up? I was like, you put a pistol in your hand, and he's like, oh,
yeah.
all right.
It's worse than that. It's a glove. All right,
It's
let's
like,
see.
as long as I have a shield, I ain't complaining.
For real. I mean, I can upload it, but just like as a meme. I won't upload it with the inventory item config though. I'll let people make that themselves. Cause I use a custom one on my server, so I don't like when people add them usually. No, it's broken again.
Did you forget to unhide the armatures?
Oh,
Yeah, you did. You also forgot to unhide the collider too.
wait.
And then you have to add the armature modifier to the shield.
Oh,
And to the shield, or into the collider too, I think. Both of them. Just type, oh yeah. And then you can, for that, you can type armature as well. There you go.
and now I gotta hide what?
Nothing, that's it. Just export that. This dude just clicked save instead of clicking Control S. What a
Sorry, bro. I'm
weirdo.
sorry. I've been streaming for
Keybind.
like 10 hours today.
Keybinds.
Sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Dude, if I streamed my mod making process, people just watch me go insane as like I try to rig something, it just keeps not working.
For real. Trust me, nobody's gonna watch this. And I hope they don't.
It's a fire
Maybe,
video, guys. Come on.
maybe like one guy, but
Yeah. This is probably worse than just reading the wiki though.
yeah, true. For real. No,
So we got some tips and tricks in this. I gotta make a tips and tricks video. That's what I gotta make. I don't need to make a tutorial. I
cool.
just need tips and tricks.
We got the shield, boys. We got
Dude, oh, let me get a shot of the PKM on your back with a shield. Actually, you should go into armor camp so it's a bit better. That'd be fire. Get like mostly the PKM though. Like they go from the back. Yeah.
hang on. Oh wait.
I
What
don't like that.
the hell? Oh no, that looks fucked up.
This is the most jank shield ever, bro. That looks cool
Yo,
though.
don't make
That
fun of
looks
my
stupid.
shield, bro. I did the best I could do. Wild. Gotta set up the odds.
Did you make that shield? Right?
Yeah, I modeled
That
and
looks sick.
textured it. I followed a tutorial, but I didn't make it all. I gotta add a lot.
Dude, I never add LODs.
I
I
know,
don't
fuck
care
them.
about performance. If you don't have a
Hell
5090,
no.
what's wrong with you, bro?
For real.
You ain't got a.
Upgrade your shit.
If you can't afford 64 gigabytes of RAM right now, why are you even playing video games?
Wow. Well, I'm not that rich. I 64. Shit.
Dude,
This is
I
awesome.
work at
Thank you
a
for
I work at a
showing me
computer
this.
store, dude. So the quotes go crazy when someone's like, "I want a custom build with 64 gigs of RAM." Well, it's gonna be a $2,000 computer and 1,500 of
For
it's gonna be RAM.
Jesus. It's
It's
insane,
bad,
bro.
dude. 6 months ago, we were able to build like a computer with 64 gigabytes of RAM, like Ryzen 9000 series for like probably around 3,000. That's with like 2 terabyte drives and stuff like that. Now
Yeah.
for like almost 30, I think it was like 3,800. It was on like half the RAM, worse CPU, like half the
Yeah.
storage. Like it's crazy how expensive everything is right now.
I've been seeing on Facebook Marketplace a lot. People are posting like they're selling PCs but without like RAM and GPUs and shit. It's just like motherboard, CPU, and a fucking power supply.
Just wait
Sad.
till the power supply shortage happens. That's the day I'll be
Yeah,
rich.
then we're cooked. Well, the power supply shortage will end everything.
At the
Transformers.
computer shop, we have like a ton of DDR5 in the back, so I did a money spread, bro, with the RAM. Posted it on my
Hell yeah.
Snap.
Nice. That's true balling and that's generational wealth right there.
Honestly, bro.
Random access memory. You just got memory to access at random, bro. You're balling.
hmm
I don't know how much I got.
You just right click on the taskbar, task manager.
Task manager.
That was a freaky way of opening it, but
What the hell? 60.
64 gigabytes. Holy crap.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. What is it? What type?
Ball.
Is it DDR4?
DDR4. Yeah. Well, how did I close
What's that
this?
clock speed, bro?
What the heck? Clock
32?
speed.
All right. All right.
Oh yeah.
You know it's bad when friggin' Enfusion is using 20 gigabytes of it.
Is it? Holy shit. I'm streaming too though. I don't know what's using it.
What graphics cards you got? 3060? Okay.
3060,
Okay. Pretty
12
decent.
gig, I think.
Great mid-tier card.
Maybe 8.
I got the 9070 XT by AMD. It's
Sheesh.
and I still have the same CPU as you. It's just
Hell yeah. Uh, to
mine's
be
overclocked
honest,
though. Did I overclock the shit out of mine? I got a really nice cooler and just started like pumping voltage into it until it
hell yeah.
like ran stable and
I'm
quick.
so